What's going on, everybody? It is Buschfishin. It is a shitty day out, but still came out. Got this guy, the lucky charm, and we're gonna go hammer some fish. We're on a tiny little lake. I'm gonna pop my 2 flags in, and then we're gonna get jigging. I'm not gonna waste a lot of time talking to you guys right now, so I'll put you guys in the chest mount and we'll see you in a little bit. I'm still monkeying around getting set up. Look what he's got.
Little largemouth bass, just short of 20 inches.
I really need to get jigging. All right, everybody, we just poked my 2 tip-ups in. Ratchy's got his in already. And now I think I'm gonna drill out a little grid and I'm gonna start looking for some marks to jig up. I don't know if I'm just gonna use the normal teardrop jig with the plastic and a waxy. I might go for the jigging wrap to see if I can get something bigger, but I'll let you know. Well, that feels better.
Holy shit, that's a big bluegill.
Looks like dinner, hey? Elliot Rick. Shoo! Finally got him. Switched up to the little teardrop jig with the waxy, no plastic. And I'm recording. Prickly fucker. Oh yeah, shoo. Came right out, that'll eat. Yeah. You kidding? Oh, it's on yours? It's about damn time. No, he's getting it on his flag. I would expect some hustle, Ratchy.
Come on, you should be excited. I don't see it spinning.
Oh, she's going. Oh yeah, you got him.
Oh, it ain't big.
Oh geez. You got the shiner back though.
I did.
First flag of the day. Quite the big quick strike for that.
No doubt. Slippery little sucker. We got one. We're on the board. We're on the board.
All right, so we just made a pretty serious move. We moved pretty much to the other side of the lake, started jigging, found some fish, and then the first flag went off. So things are starting to look up, and we'll let you know what happens next. Holy shit!
Hey, Ratchy.
That's a good one, dude. Hold him up. Oh! Have a look at this beautiful
That's a pretty nice
specimen. What's up, mine? That is not your flag, Alex. It's in my bag. Ratchy! Oh, he's there.
You recording on that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm recording on this though.
Nothing?
Oh, he was on there.
No, he's on there. Oh, fuck.
No, he's off. Hello? He must have went pretty far. Look at the hook.
Snatched it.
Turn back in.
Damn, I ate it.
That was a bass. No, that was a bass. The scale's missing.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Fucked it up. I go, just toss it right on. Toast it. 1,
Holy shit, it worked.
2. Knuckles. Knuckles. One more. I got it. You never serve a cold tortilla.
Hang on there, Rick.
The bite? That's a wet one. Who wants this little frickin' street taco? Take one.
A little street taco, you said? You gotta give me your thoughts.
Well, it was cooked on a screwdriver, so
Dog shit or no?
no. They turned out. All that matters is the meat's cooked. And they're cooked.
Shoo! Alright, boys. Did not get the one spilled with the sriracha. For what actually happened, and I'll explain that in a second, it's not bad. Alright everybody, I think I'm gonna call it here. Kind of a struggle today. Definitely wasn't as on as it normally is. We had 3 flags go off. Ratchet caught 1 pike. I thought one was a bass, and then the other one just had no weight. What are your thoughts on today?
It's a grind. I was out here about 7, and that was the only fish that came through the hole on a tip up. That small pike. But we got enough bluegill for the most messed up catch and cook anybody has ever seen.
Let me quick explain what happened. I was supposed to bring the portable stove, the grease, and the franks, and then he was going to handle the rest. And he took care of his part, that was great. And I kind of forgot everything. So we made some fish kebabs. Alright, I think I'll finish this off once I get home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright everybody, I came outside for a little bit of quiet. Basically, this video was a struggle. My friend Ratchy got out there right before sunrise, and he said he was about 10 minutes late because the guys next to us set up, and there's pretty much one really good spot on that lake, and they had flags flying all day, and we weren't able to get in that spot, so we had to make do with what we had. So we started in the shallows and the weeds, and Ratchy jigged up some fish. I couldn't really find any. I set out my tip-ups, and then Alex came and he set out his. And then we finally moved to the other side of the lake and we started fishing deep. And that's when we pulled a couple bluegills up. Ratchy had a flag go off. He caught it. It was a little pike. And then I had 1 flag go off. It felt like a tug right when I pulled it up. And then nothing. And I think it was a bass because the scales were missing on the shiner. So then we set that one back up, and then a little bit later the flag went off again, but nothing on it. And then we did a little catch and cook, but I don't think I explained well enough what really happened with that catch and cook. So Ratchy told me to bring my portable stovetop, some grease and some franks, and he would handle the breadcrumbs and the pan and that stuff. And it was a cluster of a morning. I was supposed to get out there early. My brother was supposed to come. He didn't end up coming. I had to shovel 2 driveways for me and my grandparents. And then I finally got out there. I actually forgot the wax worms. It was a whole cluster, but we got a video out of it. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I have a bunch more videos coming. The reason that this is going up is because I'm trying to post more frequently, and I'm going to start posting everything. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.